Hello Flava Chasers, welcome back to a fun-filled episode of Flava Station. Today I'm going to be cooking my father-in-law steak. Now, quick backstory. Carl, legend, very simple guy, likes his meat well done.
No, God, please, no!
But I managed to convince him yesterday to allow me to cook him a proper steak. Medium rare, medium, rested well, no blood. Fun fact, it's not blood. It's actually myoglobin, an oxygen storing protein that changes colour when exposed to heat. And yeah, we're gonna cook him up a steak, mushrooms, tomato, chips, proper things. Here's how it went. Bow. I started off with these beautiful ribeyes, 90p for two from Lidl. Tomatoes, chestnut mushrooms, chips them chopped there. Yeah man, peelings there. We got chips, steak, ribeye. He took the mick, onion rings, mushrooms chopped up there, chips ready to go, onion rings on a tray, mushrooms gonna get baked up as well, might as well bang it all in, no messing baby. I believe that ribeye is the best steak ever. We're gonna use some vegetable oil. They are making a peppercorn sauce to go on the side there, lovely jubbly. Got the chips in, chips cooking away, bang them in there, cause you're hard. Don't worry about the splasher of the oil. Yeah man, proper chips. Don't try this at home, it's bad for you. It's alright for a treat though. Peppercorn sauce sizzling nicely, bubbling away, bubble and squeak. Yeah man, tomatoes and mushrooms, little onion on there. Yes, steaks in the pan, see it? Blog things. Yeah man, couple minutes each side till they're about medium rare, rest them for about 2-3 minutes. You're laughing. That's just some massive rump steak he gave me. I thought I'd bang that on as well. I don't know where that come from. Looks like half a cow. Little cream in the peppercorn sauce as well. Give it that little and there you have it. One massive plate of food for a man. For a man. How is it, Carl?
Good.
Cooked it for the father-in-law, look.
Not bad that.
Beautiful. Not bad, is that your only testament?
Bit like a burger, bit smaller.
So I've done him a lovely steak and look, he comes with the bird custard.
Unflavoredstation.com
With the kids cake. It's gonna be nice though, I must admit.
You better believe it.
And I must admit the cake did not disappoint. Took me right back to school days. Look man, there's something tasty and sweet. Like you lot, like this video. If you want more flavour, click the boxes, watch another video. And next video, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss any of my sick random vids.